Hello, my friend. Today we're looking at a Roxy watch. It has a white, it was supposed to be white band on it, but as you can tell, it's got a lot of yellow grime on it. I'm not sure where it came from or how it got that way. We're going to try a few methods to try to clean it. The other issue is it looks like the battery is dead. So I'm going to open it up, install a new battery. Maybe wipe this down a little bit. So the things I'm going to use some pure acetone nail polish remover, or I'm going to give this a shot. I've seen some other videos use this to try to clean the band, so we're going to try that, and then we're going to follow it up just with some Dawn soap and some warm water. And I'm going to remove the band first. I'm going to wash it and just see how it's going to look. So this is what it looks like right now. Okay, we're going to clean it and then come back and see what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. Got it pretty good, except maybe this part needed a little bit more. It's really tough to get that out, but this part came out really nice. So I'm just going to soak it in the Dawn soap in the water for a little bit, and then we're just going to clean it one more time, and then show you the results. Alright, this part looks pretty good. I don't see any issues at all. I don't see any scratches or anything like that. You can see the R in the little emblem within, so it's actually pretty nice. If anybody's interested in this watch, go in the description. It'll still be available by the time of the filming, hopefully. And yes, I'm going to put a little poly wash on it just to give it a little bit of a shine. All right, look at that. Okay, let's come back. I'll put the straps back on and get a battery in there too. All right, here are the final results. Maybe not as white as this part, but could have done maybe a little bit more, but it was really tough to get that stuff out. But overall, I think it looks much better. It's running. Got the battery in there, so it's working. So if you're interested in this watch, read the description. This is Roxy 5 ATM watch. So there it is.